So, welcome everyone to this wonderful magical journey where we start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday's
Yeah.
class, we talked about how we can be grateful to the magical air that we breathe. What is the importance of air? And when we are grateful to air, we are grateful to the supreme power. And we understand that how we have been taking that for granted for many and many years. So, any questions about yesterday's class or assignments or something you want to share? And we start with our next chapter. This is about how we can heal our loved ones. What is that process that we can continue healing the environment around? Healing, I don't mean the healing like you are giving some kind of medicine. Here, healing, I'm talking about in the concept of healing their mindset, changing the thoughts, the perception, and blessing them. So, how can we do that? How can you become the person to connect with others, to support others, to understand their cause and connect with them? And to give them the path of the right values where they are able to find their own path in future. So let's get started. And who would like to read?
Manisha does a good job.
Yeah. Manisha is always number one.
I
But
think we all are
Ingita, you
number
are
one.
very
We
good.
all are
Ingita.
number one.
Yeah.
We all are number one.
Ingita, you were also very good yesterday.
No, but Manisha's voice I find very
Yeah.
clear and this thing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your appreciation. I think we all are same. We
Yeah.
all are blessed.
You all are blessed. Yes.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, so can you see the screen?
It starts from again, na? It starts from
Now,
magic.
Yeah. Day 24, the magic wand. So, Manisha, you can start.
Yeah, one second. Huh? Just once. Yeah. From here, no? Have you ever wished?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever wished you had a magic wand so that you could just wave your wand and help the magical people you love? Well, today's magical practice will show you how you can use life's real magic wand to help others. When you fervently want to help another person, you have immense power. But when you direct that power with gratitude, you really do have a magic wand that can help the people you care about.
Okay.
And
So, can anyone tell me the meaning of fervently?
with all your heart,
is it frequently?
Fervently.
with
No,
all
no.
your heart.
Absolutely. Passionately. With
Okay.
all your heart. Dil se. So, there are times that, suppose like आपने अपने लिए जब आप कुछ करते हैं, तो you do that work with a different kind of intention. You have a particular kind of mindset because you have your goal and you have to reach to that goal. But when you are working for someone, so it's not job I'm talking about, but when you with your heart, when you work for somebody, you understand the other person's feeling. It's absolutely the feeling of love and compassion. And it is said that the feeling of compassion is the highest quality that a humankind can have, because that is the time that you are above, you connect with the power. And that is the time this kind of feeling of compassion is referred to in scriptures, in Bhagavad Gita, as the highest quality of feelings. So जब आप कोई दिल से काम करते हैं, suppose like you don't want to cook for yourself, अकेले में मन नहीं करता कि ये बनाओ और वो खाओ. But then if someone else tell you, your child tells you that you cook something, some new dish for me. So immediately you start doing something.
Yes.
Just to something new. What can I do? Your mind starts working. Let me try chili paneer or something, whatever. Because you are passionate about making your child happy. You connect with your child. So that is the feeling that we are here talking about. Yes, please.
Energy flows where your attention goes, and so when you direct the energy of gratitude towards another person's needs, that's where the energy goes. This is the reason why Jesus said thank you before he performed a miracle. Gratitude is an invisible but real force of energy, and coupled with the energy of your desire, it is just like having a magic wand. People who wait for a magic wand fail to see that they are the magic wand. Thomas Leonard, 1955, 2003, personal development coach. If you
Yeah.
have a family,
So when you get the power of feeling of gratitude, the gratitude combined with feeling, what happens is you get the wand. Wand is that something, some kind of magic stick which the magician uses, just like in Harry Potter, you must have seen. So here it is compared to a person who has the power. So you get that power of healing others. But how can you get that? Any one of us can get that. That is when you develop that feeling of compassion, feeling of love, and you are not at that point of time getting selfish. You are not comparing. You are not in your negative thinking self. You are not in your low vibration mode. But you think only and only about that person's happiness. You just think that how can I help him wherever that person is stuck. Yes, please.
You
if
see, in
you
this,
have a
Yeah,
if you have a family member, friend, or anyone you care about who's lacking physical health, in financial trouble, unhappy in their work, stressed, suffering because a relationship has ended, lost confidence in him or herself,
कहाँ जा रही है?
suffering from mental problems, or feeling down about their life, you can use the invisible force of gratitude to help them with their health, wealth, and happiness. To wave your magic wand for another's health, imagine that the person's health has been fully restored and say the magic words thank you in heartfelt celebration of receiving the news that he or she is full of health again. You could imagine the person calling you to give you the news, or imagine them telling you in person, and really see and feel your reaction when you can feel as grateful now as you would when you heard the news that the person's health had been fully restored. It will guarantee that the gratitude you feel is as sincere and as powerful as it can be. To
okay.
wait,
So there is no magic outside. Everything is like it lies within. And instead of waiting for some external forces to help the other person or to help us, it is always better to look within, to find out, to search on one's own self, by one's own self, that how can you connect to your own self. What is a possibility? You become the creator of your own life, and you start finding solution because your focus, your intention is on positivity. Only when you are positive with your intention and will, you can connect. Because what happens is that suppose someone is not well, his health is not well, and you pray for that person, so you bless that person, you kind of imagine that that person is in ideal state of health, and you visualize that he is calling you with some good news. And how are you feeling at that time? How is that person feeling? What is the reaction? You visualize the whole concept. That is one of the technique of visualization, of manifestation, that you visualize and imagine that this thing is happening, you feel it. And it so happens that you, when you feel for others, you feel more, just like you feel for your child, or you feel for your family, your close ones. Yes, please.
to wave your magic wand to help someone you love with their wealth, follow the same magical practice and be as grateful as if they had the wealth they needed right now. Imagine their wealth has been fully restored. It is done, and you're saying the magic words Thank you, because you just received the amazing news. If a person you know is going through a tough time, but you don't know what specifically they need, or if they need help in more than one area, then you can follow the same magical practice and wave your magic wand by giving thanks for their happiness or for their health, wealth, and happiness together.
Yeah.
Today,
So it is like an attitude of gratitude.
hmm,
With the power of gratitude, you create abundance in others' life. तो जैसे you create a thought and you give your gratitude to it. You visualize it. And then what happens is you give your energy. And this is the main part. You give your energy. So what happens is that when you give your energy, that energy has feelings. Those feelings further produces vibrations. Those vibrations have certain kind of frequencies. That frequency, when matches with the frequency of the universe, gets the result. तो वो कब मैच होगा यूनिवर्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी से? व्हेन इट इज इन प्योर थॉट्स. और वो प्योर थॉट्स ऐसा माना जाता है कि ज्यादा होती हैं जब आप किसी के लिए ब्लेसिंग करती हैं. जैसे कोई जाता है किसी गुरु के पास, किसी प्रीस्ट के पास, मंदिर में मन्नत मांगते. व्हाई? बिकॉज you connect more and there is certain kind of positivity you feel कि वो लोग जब मुझे ब्लेस करेंगे तो उनमें ज्यादा पॉजिटिविटी है, ना कि जब मैं खुद से अपने लिए कुछ सोचता हूँ. Because when you think only about yourself, you get more selfish, more goal oriented in your own way. So it can, sometimes it can harm others also, because आपका एक दायरा है जिसमें आप रहते हैं. So that connecting with the other person, it's not so openly done. You don't become very open-minded. So when it is done with a pure thought, that is the time you connect best. So that is why people used to go to some elderlies to get the blessings. कि उनसे blessings जरूर लो, बड़ों की blessings जरूर लेना चाहिए. कहते हैं कि दुआओं में याद रखना, हमें अपनी दुआओं में याद रखना. There's some saying also. उसका मतलब ये है कि जब वो आपको दिल से दुआ करते हैं तो वो बहुत ज्यादा लगती है. और it is just a kind of direct hit. But how can we get that? And when the other person is giving his energy, that's what I was talking about. That is the main part. Because there is an energy exchange. So जब energy exchange होता है, it is very important that you give gratitude. Or you give some kind of something to that person. Or to that temple, or wherever, to that priest, or that Guruji, or whoever. Because there is an energy exchange. It cannot be one way. That person is blessing you with this full power and pure thought. And the biggest asset in this world is the mindset. So when with that mindset you are giving some blessing to someone, sometimes it so happens that someone is not well and you pray for that person, and when that person is healing, you feel so happy because you have put your energy into it. It can be for your children, it can be your close ones. So the thought is that when you connect like this, it is kind of a divine feeling that you get, because you are being grateful and you kind of have faith and you have kind of surrender. That is the highest form of feeling. That is the highest form of power. So that is the next level that I am talking about here. See, we have outgrown all the chapters now, and we are in a different thought now. Our thought process has changed over these chapters. Our mindset has changed. And that is what we are here talking about. तो जैसे हम पहले किसी के लिए जजमेंटल हो जाते थे, हम पहले कोई कंप्लेंट जोन में आ जाते थे. Now we are out of that. Now we are thinking about the higher power around us. And how can we be grateful for that? Yes, please.
today, choose 3 people you care about who are currently in need of health, wealth, or happiness, or all three. Get a photograph of each person if you have one, and keep the photographs in front of you while doing this practice. Take the first person, hold their photograph in your hand, then close your eyes and for 1 minute visualize yourself receiving the news that the person has been fully restored with whatever they need. It is much easier to visualize yourself receiving the news than it is to visualize, for example, an in-person healthy again, or a depressed person happy again, or a financially stressed person abundant again. And you will feel more excitement and gratitude if you involve yourself in your visualization. Open your eyes and with the photograph still in your hand, say the magic words thank you slowly 3 times for that person's health, wealth, or happiness, or whatever combination they need. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Names, health, wealth, or happiness.
So when you reach to that level, no matter what that person is, it can be your boss, it can be your child, it can be your friend, can be your relative, or any person who is stuck in life or is feeling is in low vibration mode. You want to help them. If your boss is, or your where you are working, they are not feeling good, they are suffering in some area, or you feel they are not doing so great in their business, so you pray for them and you do your best to get make them get out of that situation. So
I would like to add in this.
yes, please.
When we are talking of energy flow, and we are talking of, energy which flows to the other person, when you heal somebody, I would just like to add that, this kind of flow of energy where it, benefits the other person, you have to have a very high level of spiritual connect. The mind has to be trained in line with the, spirituality principles. And a stage comes when you achieve a certain level of alignment with spirituality, that, telepathy comes in.
Yes.
That is what we talk about when you are sitting somewhere, praying for somebody, using your mental powers, to transmit energy. Now, that kind of energy, if you want to transmit, first of all, a very high level of spirituality has to be developed. Whereas this spirituality, gets converted into telepathy. We call it mental telepathy, where, energy is flowing, you are praying for somebody, and the person is actually, benefiting out of you. Like you've heard about healers, they pray for somebody at different place and it affects them. तो ये spirituality जो है ये develop करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Unfortunately, आजकल के time में ना people are moving away from spiritual development.
They are becoming
तो
more
जाते हैं,
selfish.
गुरुद्वारे तो जाते हैं, but spirituality wise they are very far away from
So
aligning with
in
God.
spirituality, sir,
और
it is,
happiness का मैं एक और कहूँ कि when you achieve this state of mind,
yeah,
then happiness comes from within.
yes,
Happiness आपने create करनी है. Happiness is not like you're watching TV and you're getting happy about it. Happiness has to be created,
yeah,
and then happiness also has to be made to flow to the other person.
yeah,
That is where all these things come in.
yes.
So all this development of mind, this has to mind has to be tuned accordingly. Then a lot of things can be done because we have a lot of spiritual powers in our mind. Energy flow can be done in many ways, but attunement and fine tuning is required.
So that is what we have been learning in all the chapters now that we are on chapter 24. So the thing is that we have reached to this level where we understood that how we can come out, pull us out of the negativity and fill it with the positivity that we have been doing. Very important second thing is that when you, as a person's level is known by the level of his selfishness. How selfish a person is, you can understand that person's mindset with that. Third thing is that you are what you're talking about, the practice. That practice comes, minimum practice is 21 days. Now that we are on 24th days, 24th day, so we have that kind of understanding. So for anything to practice, you need 21 days, and for something to make your lifestyle, you need 90 days. It is said that. But then the main thing is that you are aware of your thought. And when the moment you get aware of your thought, now it is up to you. Because then you become the creator, whether you want to or you don't want to. It's up to you. But you have the knowledge, you have the insight, you have the understanding that I'm always thinking about myself. I need to connect with the other person. What is that attitude? You understand that it is by the attitude of gratitude that you can connect with the other person. And you start by just like जैसे कोई बच्चा घर में अगर is uneasy या उसकी तबीयत खराब होती है, so as a mother or as a father you get that feeling, you connect immediately. क्योंकि तब आपको कोई ऐसी फीलिंग नहीं होती कि नहीं मैं सिर्फ अपने लिए कर लूं, बिकॉज दैट इज द मोस्ट सेल्फलेस थॉट that a mother has for a child. That thought is called the selfless thought. That action is called the selfless action. क्योंकि उसमें कोई selfishness नहीं होती है. And you connect so well with pure thoughts. Yes, thank you so much for sharing, Aluwalia sir. Thank you so much. Yes, please continue.
As you finish with one person, move on to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you finish the magic wand practice by sending health, wealth, or happiness to all these people. You can also use this powerful practice when you're walking down or going about your day and you come across someone who is obviously lacking happiness, health, or wealth. Imagine you have a magic wand and in your mind, wave it by giving heartfelt thanks for their wealth, health, and happiness, and know that you have set a real force of energy into motion. Using gratitude to help someone else with his or her health, wealth, and happiness is the single greatest act of gratitude you can perform. And one of the magical things about it is that the health, wealth, and happiness you fervently wish for others, you also bring to yourself.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Manisha, for reading so beautifully.
Thank you.
So, like it is also referred, we'll just do the exercise also, practice. The thing is that it was also referred in the secret book that when there were 2 cashiers, and one cashier was always saying, आपने जब वो bill काटते थे तो वो बोलते थे, God bless you. God bless you with abundance of wealth and happiness. और जो दूसरा कैशियर था हमेशा जल्दी करो next. So people preferred going to the cashier, of course, to the one who was giving them blessings, because you get that kind of positivity, you get that positive feelings, you connect more with that person because he has the thoughts you feel is pure. So,
You know, happiness is a concept
Anji.
which multiplies. The more you give, the more it multiplies.
Yes.
And you get a very strong, when you make somebody happy or you make somebody feel good, तो आपका जो एटीट्यूड है, आपका जो बेंट ऑफ माइंड है, आपकी अपनी हैप्पीनेस इतनी मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है that there is no bounds.
There's no bound.
हाँ, this is
क्योंकि
what the attitude is.
अपने दायरे से बाहर आ जाते हैं.
हम कहते हैं ना भाई, हम when we talk of general day to day interactions, हम लोग कहते हैं यार 2-3 चीजें बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. हम कहते हैं यार, एक तो मैंने किसी का विलफुली किसी का नुकसान नहीं करना. That's, I'm just coming to the point. मैंने किसी 2-3 पॉइंट्स बता रहा हूँ. मैंने किसी का विलफुली नुकसान नहीं करना. अगर मेरे कुछ करने से किसी का हेल्प मिल जाती है, किसी का काम बन जाता है, तो मैं कर दूँ. You know, that's, if I do something for anybody, if I can help somebody, मेरे करने से किसी को हेल्प मिल जाती है, किसी का काम समझ जाता है, somebody feels happy about it, तो I'll go ahead with it.
Yes.
And it has to be in a very selfless state of mind. जहाँ पे आपका self centeredness या आपकी self profitability बीच में आ गई, वहाँ पे आप वो चीजें नहीं दे सकते फिर.
Yeah.
You have to be very tuned for that. तभी मैंने पहले भी बोला कि spiritual development of mind is very important. And once you do that, these rest of the things become totally immaterial for you. You know, that's what the whole concept is all about.
Yes, please read further.
Magic practice number 24, the magic wand. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Read your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful to that blessing as you can. Number 2, choose 3 people with who you care about and who you would like to help with more health, wealth, happiness, or all 3. Number 3, if you have been if you have if you have them, collect a photograph of each of 3 people and keep it in front of you while doing the magic wand practice. Number 4, take one person at a time and hold their photograph in your hand. Close your eyes and for 1 minute visualize the person's health, wealth, or happiness has been fully restored and you are receiving the news. Number 5, open your eyes with the photograph still in your hand. Say the magic word slowly. Thank you, thank you, thank you for that health, wealth, or happiness. Number 6, as you finish with one person, move on to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you finish the magic wand practice for all the 3 people. Number 7, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. Thank you so much, Manish.
Thank you. Thank you.
यही मैं
So the
थोड़ा सा
practice
My
is
pleasure.
लास्ट पॉइंट जो आपने पढ़ा है थैंक यू वाला, इस पर मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा.
हाँ,
यू नो, थैंक्स गिविंग जो है ना, दिस इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट.
yes.
आप किसी का थैंक्स करते हो एंड द वे यू थैंक हिम, जिस तरह से आप उसका शुक्रिया अदा करते हो, मे बी फॉर एनी स्मॉल थिंग और मे बी एनीथिंग, वो आपका जो तरीका होता है थैंक्स को डिलीवर करने का अगले बंदे को, दैट इज व्हाट मेक्स ऑल द डिफरेंस. दैट, और जो खुशी उसको मिलती है उस चीज से कि भाई इसने अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड मुझे एक्सप्रेस किया है, इज रियली एक्सप्रेस्ड हिज अप्रिसिएशंस फॉर मी, तो वो जो खुशी उस बंदे को मिलती है, दैट कैन नॉट बी इमेजिन्ड.
That is the best thing. Yeah.
हाँ,
So true, so true.
We need to be grateful for the person who is giving us blessings, who is helping us,
yes,
supporting
yes,
us,
yes.
or in any way, because gratefulness is what we are learning here, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, so first thing is count your blessings that you do every day, 10 blessings, and holding magic rock in your hand and thinking of the best experience that happened during the day that you have to do. Apart from that, you have to choose 3 people whom you care about and who you would like to help with more health, wealth, happiness. So what you can do is आप अपने phone में से देख सकते हैं उनका कोई pic, या अगर आपके पास है hard copy तो आप उसमें से वो print out देख सकते हैं. And then one by one, you will say thank you, thank you, thank you for that person. You take the name and wish for his good health, wealth, and abundance of happiness. तो एक के साथ कंप्लीट करिए, देन यू कंप्लीट विद द अदर पर्सन एंड देन यू कंप्लीट विद द थर्ड पर्सन. This is how you do. So for whoever you think is stuck in their lives or something, like we did for those people who were not feeling well, and how all of them are doing well, all of them have been healed. So this has a great power. This practice has a lot of power, but the only thing is that the person who is getting healed, they should also be grateful, and they have to, it's a kind of energy exchange which is done. So now is the sharing time, and it was very beautiful. See, this also, same thing, it talks about your vibrations. It talks about the frequency of vibrations, your habit, pure thoughts. And when you start giving blessings, it so happens is that you become happy. That is the best form of happiness, when you give happiness to others. So you become the creator for yourself and for others by your thoughts. क्योंकि हर चीज थॉट से बनती है. शब्द, थॉट्स, थॉट से फीलिंग्स, फीलिंग से वाइब्रेशन, वाइब्रेशन से फ्रीक्वेंसी, फ्रीक्वेंसी यूनिवर्स तक पहुंचती है. So it is all connected. We have to understand. Now that we are aware of it, we understand that how we can take it further. Okay, so this is for today. Any questions? Anything anybody would like to ask, or you want to share something? Anything you can write in the chat box, or you can unmute and speak. Okay, and here we have today Mr. Aluwalia, who will be
Hello.
sharing his insights about the topic today. In between, also he shared.
Yeah.
So yes, anything else if you feel that you could
I would like to
connect with?
just give a few, ideas. Happiness पे हमने सारी बात करी. Happiness itself is a very huge concept
It's a huge one.
and very, very huge concept. And happiness, the one major thing which is that happiness has to be created from within. आप अगलों को happiness provide करते हो, you make others happy, whether it's by gratitude or whether it's by thanksgiving or by any actions. The more happiness you give, the more you multiply.
Yeah.
ये एक ऐसी चीज है जितना आप लोगों को दोगे उतना आप happiness में अमीर बनोगे. So this is a very it's a very huge concept. Then this concept is also coupled with spirituality. अगर आपकी spiritual development अच्छी है तो आप लोगों को happiness ज़्यादा better तरीके से provide कर सकते हो because your connect is great.
Connect to them.
And once your connect is great, then spirituality, happiness leading to energy flow to the other person, leading to a kind of telepathy. ये चीजें अगर आप डेवलप कर लेते हो then I think there is no limit to your happiness. एक मायूस को अगर आपने खुश कर दिया या एक डिप्रेस्ड को आपने हैप्पी कर दिया, that is where it all makes the difference. You have to interact on the psyche. You have to interact with the other persons. थोड़ा सा अगले बंदे को स्टडी करना भी जरूरी है इसके लिए. Mr. X is depressed. You want to make him happy. We want to make energy flow. वो बीमार है, उसको आपने energy flow करना है, heal करना है. ये सारी चीजें जो है ना, ये happiness related spirituality, telepathy, mindset, attitude, ये सारी चीजें amalgamate करनी पड़ती हैं उसमें. That is what we call overall development. And in सब चीजों के लिए one more thing comes into ground, which is your faith in God. Because ये सारी चीजें energy flow वहीं से आता है.
Yeah.
So you have to develop your faith in God and a very strong faith in God. अगर आपका faith in God बहुत strong है तो आपकी telepathy भी strong होगी, आपकी transmission of energy भी strong होगी. You will be able to transmit energy, make people happy, heal others. All these things will be combined together. तो ये एक overall amalgamation है which is needed. And the more you give, the more you grow. The more you grow richer. It's not like money कि आपने दे दिया और आप गरीब हो गए. जितना ये multiply होगा. And it has to be created from within, and your creation has to be passed on to the other person whom you are transmitting. It's a huge concept. So we can say that happiness combined with spirituality, combined with your faith in God, combined by your gratitude, your thanksgiving, all these things come into one simple picture. उसको आपने grow करना है और उस पे you have to grow. That's what I would like. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज के टाइम में ना लोग स्पिरिचुअलिटी से और इन चीजों से दूर हटते जा रहे हैं, विच इज अ वेरी बैड ट्रेंड. सो वी हैव टू रिवर्स दैट. और जो रिवर्स कर गया, ही इज ऑन द राइट पाथ. दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड से.
Yes. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you for your sharing.
वेलकम.
Thank you. So anyone else would like to add something? What do you feel on this, Ingita? And it's great to have here Asha ji is here. Asha ji, please give your views. She's also into spirituality, and she's a more than spirituality. She's a beautiful person. She's a very beautiful person. आशा जी प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. अनम्यूट करना है आपको. कांट हियर यू आशा जी. आशा जी
अब सुनाई दे रहा?
या हाँ अब आ रहा.
अच्छा, मेरे हिसाब से है कि हम सब बेसिकली खुश पैदा होते हैं. Correct?
Yes.
The only thing is, as we grow, as we are brought up, हमारे अंदर ये ऐसा है, वो ऐसा है, ये करने से है. A whole lot of we are bombarded by all these things. तो ये चीजें हमें make us unhappy or whatever, make us ungrateful. All these things are connected. So basically the thing is कि ये जो जितना भी negativity है या किसी के बारे में कुछ वो है, उसको अगर handle कर ले तो बस everything falls in place.
Yeah.
वो भी आएगा, gratitude भी आएगा, खुशी भी आएगी उसके साथ, और वो भी आएगा, सब कुछ अंदर आ जाएगा. एक चीज, एक मेजर वो लेके चलिए तो फिर आप देखिए कि प्यार ले लीजिए. मैंने सारी सबको प्यार करना है. एवरीथिंग विल में आप अंदर वो हटता जाए. सारा जो ढका हुआ है ना मैल मलीदा, that will get removed, and
Yes, yes.
real shine है वो निकल. So it's a simpler process rather than doing this. You
Yeah.
just have to do is remove.
Yes.
So,
It's all inward. Actually, it's an inward journey. Yeah.
it is all inward.
It's inward journey. Yeah.
How चीजें होती है ना, हम बच्चे को सिखाते हैं तुम ये करो, एग्जाम करो, यहाँ एडमिशन मिल जाएगी, यहाँ मिल जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. ये नहीं सिखाते कि ये सब करते करते तुम्हारे अंदर ज़मीर कैसा, you're not bothered.
Thoughts पे work नहीं कर. Yeah.
Thought, no, keep it.
Yes. Thank you so much, Asha ji. Thank you. Love you.
तो ये मेरे हिसाब से तो ये है कि ज़्यादा ये सब करने से कि एक चीज़ को लेके बैठ जाओ कि हमने ये लिया ना, everything else follows.
Yeah. Yes.
Simpler process, ये भी कर लो, ये भी कर लो.
Yes. Thank you, Dipali, for your message, and Vidu, thank you. Thank you. You want to say something, Vidu? Manisha, you want to say something? Okay. So, anyone else would like to add something on this? Or otherwise we conclude. Shraddha, would you like to say something? So it was great, all of you joined. Wonderful session today. Absolutely, I enjoyed taking. And yeah, Manisha, and you all have shared so beautifully. Thank you. Thank you, Vidu. Okay. Thank you. See you all
Thank you.
next
Thank you.
time.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
such
Thanks,
a
everybody.
wonderful
Thanks,
session.
everybody.
Thank
You
you.
are amazing, and sir, you also.
It was a
Yeah.
great session,
Yeah,
Very nice to interact. And
Alvarez sir,
I think
you
we should-
really gave proper definitions of happiness, and
Yeah.
you shared very good insights. Thank you.
Yeah, we have to keep these sessions alive, continuing
Yes.
and sharing ideas and various happiness procedures and all. Sub spirituality, sab hame karna chahiye. We should interact frequently.
Now that we all are here, so that is the best part. We are all learning together. Wonderful. So we conclude today's class and love you all. Take care.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thanks a lot. Thanks, everybody.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you for
Bye-bye.
being here. Thank you.